Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you 15 evergreen principles that will help you grow your Instagram account faster and build a massive audience. I've spent the last 8 years studying the Instagram platform and I've successfully grown accounts to hundreds of thousands of followers. So let's dive in. So what's the point number one? Videos versus images. Let's first talk about videos and images. Videos generally outperform images, but a good image can still do well. Especially in the educational niche, it's important to incorporate both into your content strategy. Try both and see what works best for you and for your niche and the skill set. The second point is the content consumption. Keep in mind that 85% of Instagram users use content without sound. So make sure that you use images and subtitles in your videos to capture their attention. Point number three is content categories. For content to perform well, it should fit into one of these four categories. That is entertainment, education, inspiration, or thought-provoking. So you can mix and match these categories to create unique and engaging content. The fourth point is strong hooks. Now open every piece of content with a strong and powerful hook to grab the attention of your audience. Focus on the opening couple of sentences and seconds to skyrocket your attention rate. The fifth point is hashtags. Now hashtags can help you grow, so don't ignore them. Do your hashtag research and find relevant ones for your niche. Include them in your captions to boost your visibility. Point number six is the frequency of posting content on Instagram. You need to aim to post on Instagram a minimum of 4 times a week for optimum growth. The more you post, the better you will get at creating content and understanding the platform. Point number seven is building systems. If you want to grow faster, build systems to improve your content creation process. This could be template, a schedule, or even a tool to help you turn your Twitter feed into Instagram content. Point number eight is post in time. You need to post 30 to 60 minutes before your audience is most active on Instagram. This will increase the early engagement and help your content get pushed out to more people. Point number nine is to broadcast channels. Now, create a broadcast channel on Instagram to build strong connection with your audience. Use this feature to send messages to your followers and build a strong community. Point number 10 is to optimize for Explore page. Always optimize your content for the Explore page. Make your content appealing to people who fit your target audience, but don't know who you are. The next step is call to action. If you enjoyed these steps so far, I'll be sure to follow us on Instagram for daily content on growing and monetizing your audience. You could be overshadowed or shadow banned, which can hurt your reach. So check out your account status in your settings to see if you have violated any community or recommendation guideline. So always check for shadow bans. Point number 12 is to treat notes as short form broadcast. Use the new notes features as another way to engage with your audience. Share thoughts, opinions, and interesting findings with your followers. 13th point is to invest in your content quality. Invest time and money into improving your content before looking into paid ads. Take courses, upgrade your equipment, or hire a studio to get better content. And that's it. These are the algorithm secrets to help you grow faster on Instagram in 2023. Now you can implement these steps and watch your audience grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.